What up, y'all? Alright, so today we're out here, it's raining, I'm making multiple videos, we're doing a lot of stuff. So today we're going to be installing door seals, custom door seals from Pika Vinyl Graphics.com. Go ahead and sponsor here. So this is his IG, hit him up, it's custom stuff, he does all my vinyls. And this is a very brand new product, custom door seal for the front end that has not even dropped yet on his website. I am getting first dibs on it.
Well, second dibs.
Second dibs. That's right, because of course he does his own, but still. So we went ahead and we are cleaning up the door seal with Adams Prep Surface. It is not sponsored by Adams, but we do use Adams Prep Surface for absolutely almost anything and everything. It is some really good stuff. It's alcohol based, flashes really quickly. So
about a minute. You show them the Jeep. I'll unlock it.
Okay, so take you over to the Jeep here, and my boy got a boiler exhaust on it. Man, that thing sounds killer. Take you over. Huh? Okay. So this custom altitude he did himself, the mountains, right? So look at that. Open the door up, and this is what he did. Brass monkey with the two-tone black and gold. The black and gold there.
Black and copper, man. Black and copper.
Black and copper, sorry. Of course, to go with his copper infused Hellcat replica wheels. So don't hit the post office. All right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to wet apply these. You can use a soapy, watery solution. I prefer to use some Rapid Tech. You're just going to spray the surface a little bit. Since we already cleaned it with Surface Prep, which is alcohol based, we're just going to let it sit there. We're going to grab the decal, peel it back from the transfer paper, like so. And being that it's wet and we're wet and applying it, we can simply just adjust it whichever way we want. So we're going to get up in here pretty good. Make sure it's lined right. Looks good. What do you think?
I mean, I think that looks really good.
So we got classy sassy going on.
I mean, y'all can see how much just from the before and after of what like the regular door seal looks like, and then what this looks like.
Gives that little class, you know?
Yeah, makes it look really good. So we do have two templates of the honeycomb design, and then one you said without the honeycomb.
Yeah, it's the same thing, it's just a solid, so we have that too. Comes with text if you want text. When we do the back side, you're going to see a logo we did just for this car. Oklahoma University, don't sue me.
Well, I have rights to the camo pattern that I have.
Yeah, and that has logo, so we're fine.
So the camo pattern that inspired this OU build is that right there. It's got OU logos in it. That is actually what inspired my entire build. Went through Oklahoma University, got with their PR department, got copyrights to it. So that inspires all my build and everything. And damn, that looks good.
Yeah, so what we're going to do, if you use any type of water solution, you're just going to let it sit there and let it dry for a few minutes after, so that gives us enough time to do the rest of the car. And so yeah, we'll do one side here, we'll show you the back end, and then we'll come back when we peel it off.
Alright, so now we're on the passenger side over here.
Surface Prep, microfiber.
So my car is hella dirty. The reason why it's hella dirty is because I live out in the sticks, out in the country. I just washed this thing 2 days ago. It was clean till I hit the road, and well, then it's got mud all up and down it. That's what happens with the country life, and apparently every time I come to my buddy's house, I roll through horse shit. But hey, it's the country life, right?
I dropped the decal, it's fine because it's still in the paper. So there's another way you can install this too. You can literally take the Rapid Tack, just a little bit of moisture on the back, nothing too crazy. You don't want to get all the stuff out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to place it in here on the back side. Notice the back end, the back doors are a lot smaller. And that's just because we have a smaller space to work with. So we have this decals on, maybe. Don't do what I just did. Luckily the cutter's inside the house, so if I messed up too much, I just run inside and cut another one. Alright, so we're going to leave it there. Grab our squeegee, which is in my back pocket. We're just going to squeegee side to side. And then we're just going to let it dry out about 5 minutes or so because it's nice and cold. If you have a heat gun, you can grab your heat gun, hair dryer, get it up, it'll dry it off a little bit, and call it a day. Alright, pause it. Alright, so it's been a few minutes. We went ahead and peeled it off. There's just some areas where it's a little dirty, so we're going to clean it up later before we seal it up. Get some of the little creases out with a lighter and call it a day.
Alright, and then I will go ahead and just bring up pictures of what it looked like before and after at the end of this video. Remember, hit up PikaVinylGraphics.com or check him out on his IG. All this stuff, got all my decals, everything, got all my stuff.
Mopar Tiger.
Yeah, except for my Mopar Tiger on Facebook. This is not him. This is from my other club that I am vice president with. But go ahead and make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will do a couple of shots of what it looks like at the end. All right, peace.